Hello there guys, welcome to Dinos Vault. Welcome to my exclusive 4K first look walk around preview of the all new 2021 Skoda Superb. What all new does it have on offer? I'm here to tell you exactly that. So without further ado, let's get started with this review. So this is the Skoda Superb 2021. Now no other car portrays its name so perfectly than the Superb. It's just in a class of its own right from the word go. No competition, no one even comes close to matching the kind of equipment, the luxury, the safety standards, and of course the rock solid performance of the Skoda Superb. And what a way to celebrate their 125 years anniversary by launching a new benchmark in the segment. Well, a benchmark it has always been, but maintaining it consistently over the years is a completely different thing altogether, and that's because the Superb offers well ahead of its class features and the stretch limo kind of a feel that no other car offers at this price point. So what's new for 2021? Well, the L&K variant now gets a 360-degree camera and hands-free parking function. The infotainment system now supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The steering wheel is all new for the L&K variant. It looks and feels more sporty and luxurious at the same time. Now powering the car is the same 2-liter TSI turbo petrol engine that pumps out 190 of the most noble horses and 320 Newton meters of the most elegant torque, and this comes mated to the 7-speed DSG gearbox. In terms of safety, we get 8 airbags all around, which is superb. In terms of music, we get 11 speakers and a subwoofer with Canton speakers all around for a truly immersive experience. We have the 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which offers a nice and bright display. We also get a 10.25-inch full-color digital speedo console which lights up beautifully and offers a stunning display which adds on to the overall driving experience. Talking about the exterior, we get LED headlamps with retractable headlamp washers, LED DRLs and LED fog lights with cornering function. The front grille is placed slightly lower now to offer a sharper look. The powerful bonnet lines add all the muscle to the car. Moving on to the profile, we get 17-inch alloy wheels that look classy. We also have a powerful character line running across the bodywork. Now at the back, we get the LED tail lamp cluster with crystalline elements. The boot is unbelievably spacious at 625 liters, more than sufficient to carry both your refrigerator and the washing machine at the same time. The rear seat passenger legroom is again huge and best in class, which has always been a hallmark trait of the Superb. The dash is neat and clean, and the ambient mood lighting just elevates your mood the moment you step into the cabin. And now the price. The new Superb starts at Rs 31.99 lakhs ex-showroom, and to know the exact on-road price, please feel free to call the number mentioned in the description portion below. And now for my POV drive reaction. Okay, so Dino boy driving the all new facelifted Skoda Superb 2021 model. Powering the car is a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine that puts out 190 PS of max power and 320 Newton meters of max torque. And perfectly aiding this or complementing this is the 7-speed DSG. This is like a cruise ship propelled by rocket propellers. I mean, it's so smooth and so luxurious. It just oozes luxury. I was a passenger just a while back and I absolutely loved. Many people might maintain this as a chauffeur driven car, but we enthusiasts always like to be right behind the wheel. And for a person like me, the steering is nice and light, effortless even in chock-a-block city traffic. Now, you can't break free here because we are right in the heart of the city, and the suspension is top class. It's really satisfying and something that you come expecting from such a luxurious car. You just don't want to feel anything on the road. You just want to just glide along, and the seats are super comfortable. Power adjustable seats, they support your back really well. I love the new steering that the 2021 model gets. It gets that Lauren and Clement logo right here. But you want to get going, step on the gas, and you just fly across the competition or others on the street. And suspension is on the softer side, but you have different driving modes to choose from. We are currently in the normal mode, which is ideal for city conditions. Get into, yeah, now it's in sport mode. You can see the way the throttle response, or the way the acceleration changes the moment you step on the gas. And you also have the individual setting where each of the element can be tweaked as per your personal preference, be it the steering or suspension. Wow, this is dream come true for me. One of my all-time favorite kind of limousine sedans out there. And look at the full color speedo console, TFT console right in front. It just captivates your senses right from the word go, and kind of transports you into a different dimension. You also get ambient lighting, which you can change as per your mood. But this speedo console is so cool. It feels like as if you're right behind the cockpit of a spaceship. So glad Skoda have given the right kind of design tweaks or updates to the 2021 model. It looks really sharp and sleek and modern, and yeah, it's always been built like a tank. Almost any car coming from Skoda, build quality is top class, but the feel, everything feels so premium, so much premium. Oh, you can see the engine coming alive. The sport sound also. Whoa! Whoa! Awesome, awesome feeling, and you don't feel tired at all. You can drive this all day long, miles together at a time, and not feel tired. That's the hallmark of building a quality car. First thing, it doesn't wear you down after driving it for long distances, and then of course you don't feel the speed while you're in the cabin. The NVH levels are like, you won't believe that the car is on. That's how quiet it is in here. It's super silent. I mean, you'll be fooled to think that you've forgotten to turn on the engine. That's how quiet it is, and then you realize that the car has been on all along. Whoa. Any bumps, any undulations, you just simply glide over, and the throttle response is, whoa, just waiting to be unleashed. So let's just turn around here. Gotta be a little watchful, the turning radius. For such a huge car, the way you drive it, so effortless and so easy. So full marks to Skoda, and that's the success formula for the Superb. It's just brilliant in every which way. It's a versatile car, blends the luxury and the sporty dynamics and the driver's delight kind of enthusiasm packed into one machine. the space inside is just unbelievable. The way it tackles corners is just freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. Wow. So despite being such a long wheelbase car, it just sticks and it just goes where you want it to go. And the effort is minimum, but the result is maximum. It's just pure joy on four wheels. No wonder it just sells right off the racks without any marketing needed for it, because it has a niche following and a cult following of its own. And the DSG gearbox is like pure butter, pure honey, so smooth. You don't feel the gear changes happening at all. And you can check out my comparo of AMT versus CVT versus DSG gearbox, a dual clutch transmission. You have two clutches and two gearboxes working in tandem. So once you're in a particular gear, the other gear is already kept ready to be engaged. So that's why the gear changes happen just like that in a flash, and you won't even notice that. And this is a revolution. It has been already and doesn't change. DSG gearbox is like a driver's delight. Wow, I am on top of the world, just flying through the clouds. That's how I feel. If I were to pick one luxury sedan for myself, it would definitely be this one, because it's so satisfying. And given the pricing when compared to the higher segment cars, I mean, you get all the features of the higher segment cars like the 5 Series and the other models in this, and it's an absolute steal as to what you'll get for the money you pay. And safety is maximized as well. You get airbags all around, and electronic stability control. It's just packed with safety features. The brakes are brilliant, and the overall chassis structure is built so very well that you can be rest assured that your loved ones' safety is well taken care of the moment they step into the cabin. Wow. It's like steering a ship, believe me. It's like steering a ship. That's how smooth it is. You call smooth sailing? This is what you call smooth sailing. I feel like singing a song. But if only copyrights weren't there, I definitely would have sung a song. You know what song I would have sung? Raindrops are falling on my head. That's how beautiful, timeless machine this car is, and they've made it absolutely perfect. And the name Superb couldn't have been justified in a better way than what they have given us with this 2021 iteration of the Skoda Superb. So, but for now, this is more than enough for me. Thank you, Skoda Mahavir. You guys have made my day a much better one. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and drive safe.